Good evening. This is the start to the public hearing on amendments to the Certified School Age Center rule set. We are looking forward to hearing feedback, comments, and ideas at this public hearing. Since this is a listening session for public comment, we will not be answering questions during the hearing. If you have questions, you can send them to Chris O'Grady at CRYS.O'Grady, OGRADY at delc.oregon.gov, and we will follow up with you. We are recording tonight's public hearing for the public record. The Oregon Department of Early Learning and Care, or DELC, initiated these rule changes in response to feedback from the field. Last winter and spring, the agency conducted listening sessions with certified centers and convened a community rule revision work group to develop rule language to address the barriers identified in the listening sessions. These changes were approved by the Early Learning Council on June 28th of 2023. These changes create alignment within the certified school age rule set with the approved changes in the certified center rule set. A rulemaking advisory committee, or RAC, was convened for certified school age centers in the fall of 2023. Members of the RAC identified fiscal, equity, and operational impacts. The Child Care Licensing Division of DELC made modifications of draft rules to remove or minimize these impacts. The rules will be implemented on January 1st of 2024. In the last decade, there have been many changes in licensing and health and safety practices that were not reflected in the Certified School Age Center rule set. The updates to the Certified School Age Center rule set include updates to align with the best practices in the field and remove barriers for childcare providers, increase inclusive practices, and amend staff requirements to potentially increase childcare capacity. The public comment period on these rules is open until November 29th at 5 p.m. Pacific time. If you have additional feedback that you didn't have a chance to share with us tonight, you can submit written public comment until 5 p.m. Pacific, again on November 29th, to chris.o'grady at delc.oregon.gov. We will post a summary of the comments and feedback that we've received on our website after the comment period ends. A recording of tonight's public hearing will also be posted on our website. Your comments and feedback will be considered as we draft the final revisions to the rules. I will let you know when it is your turn to speak. Each person will have 3 minutes for their comments, and I will let each person that's here have 1 minute, know when they have 1 minute left and when the 3 minutes is up. Again, we are appreciative of anyone who's able to come tonight and offer feedback, and we are looking forward to hearing the comments. As we have no members of the public right now, and we just have one staff person in attendance, we will sit on the line until 5:15 in case anyone else comes to give public comment. So for that time, we will wait, and if someone is to attend, we will read the script again so they have a briefing. But until then, we will pause and wait for anyone to join. And if no one joins, we will end at 5:15. Thank you to those who have attended the public hearing on the Certified School Age Center rule set revision this evening, as we have had no additional folks from the public come to register to give public comment. We will conclude this public hearing. Have a great evening.